Well, on this day 45 years ago, it was kind of a mess and cold. 39 for a high, almost an inch of rainfall, and almost 3.5 inches of snowfall. So that's right, fall. Getting into late October, we can have some snowfall. But right now, check out the roadways. ABC Seamless Cam. Yeah, it looks a little wet out there, and that's going to be due to the temperature and the dew point being close together, which that produces condensation. So there's no rain on the radar. I'll show you that here in a bit. But right now, upper 40s, lower 50s for temperatures across the state. 51 in Lincoln, 53 out in Omaha. Let's check out the dew points. And the relative humidity values are right there with the temperature, which that does create some fog formation, those low-lying clouds, which that's just some condensation and lots of little water particles in that water vapor. So that's exactly what's happening right now. Winds out of the southeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those will increase throughout today. Let's take a look at that. As that sun starts to rise, so will the wind gusts. We're going to be seeing wind gusts today about 30 to 40 miles per hour. Here's a look at Aurora. Those flags right now, not really gusting too much, but they will later this afternoon. You can still see a little bit of that mist happening out there. Here's a look at satellite and radar. Notice no green on the radar, so that's just going to be due to those low-lying clouds and that condensation. Got a little bit of light rain up here towards north central Nebraska, off towards the west, a little bit of light rain, maybe even a few snow flurries mixed in within that. Well, this afternoon, cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Cold front's going to be moving through very slowly. This evening, some scattered showers and thunderstorms off into parts of northern Nebraska and then southwest Nebraska. They will be seeing some thunderstorm activity as we go into about 8 and 9 p.m. this evening. Now, it's going to be windy across the state. They are going to have some cooler air behind this cold front, which will kind of clear out some of those clouds. And then we're going to be dry off towards the east tonight, but now overnight we will be seeing some light to moderate rainfall just ahead of that cold front, and that's going to be about 1 a.m. And then Tuesday morning for your commute, all of that rain will look to be into parts of southeast Nebraska. A little bit of clearing behind that cold front. And we could see some sunshine, I think mostly on Wednesday. We are going to have another band of cloud cover Tuesday afternoon. Here's some rainfall totals. I think most of us are going to be seeing above 1/10 of an inch, and we could be ranging from close to an inch in some spots along I-80 and then south and east into parts of Iowa. 57 for today. It's going to be mostly cloudy and breezy. Everyone in the mid to upper 50s with those breezy conditions. And Wednesday, I think, is going to be our best chance for some sunshine. And then temperatures will be a little chilly, 53 degrees. And then the winds will calm down starting on Thursday, where we do warm up close to 60 degrees just in time for some Halloween. And then 60s look to be the start of November.